वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधेतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत्तोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन्
ऐवन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ् ऐऔच् भयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लन्
ञमङणम् जभै
जभै
घडदश्
गडदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचठथ चटतौ
चटतौ
कपै
कपै
चषसर् हल्
हल्
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमङणनां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
कण्ठतालु
ओगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओष्ठम्
कारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
मेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
चमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
तिपरायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानां परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
सुऔजस्
औजस्
औक्षस् काभ्याम्बिस् ङेभ्याम्ब्यस् ङसीभ्याम्ब्यस् ङस् ओस् आम् ङी ओसु सु औजस् सिप्तस्जी सिप्तस्ता मिप्वस्मस् त आतां झ थास् आतां द्वम् इट् वहि महिङ् ति तः अन्ते सि तः थ नि वह महा ते आते अन्ते ते आते द्वे ये वहे महे Yes. Fourth Gana, we can take some dhatu from here. The last class we saw man dhatu, nash dhatu. All these are at upada dhatu. Dhatu preceded by the short vowel a. At upada dhatu. The same way as dhatu also, asum, kshepane, to throw. So today we can take it upada dhatu, preceded by the letter E, short vowel E. Swid, klid, kid, vid, sid, kship. So many dhatus are there. So let us take the dhatu with dhatu. With dhatu, Krishnaji, you can do let form. With dhatu.
Okay. Parasmepadi with
Parasmepadi na. It is Atmanepadi, it's a typo.
Okay. Vidyate, vidyete, vidyante, vidyase, vidyete, vidyadve, vidye, vidyavahe, vidyamahe.
Yes, Sundarji. Okay, before that, we'll chant this. Please, iPhone. I don't know who is iPhone. You can mute your mic. You can chant this. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoti,
kurutaha,
kurvanti.
Karoshi, kurutaha, kuruta.
Karoshi, kurutaha, kuruta.
Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha.
Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha.
Kurute, kurvate, kurvate.
Kurute, kurvate, kurvate.
Kurushe, kurvate, kurudve.
Kurushe, kurvate, kurudve.
Kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe.
mahe.
Takara tam an.
Takaratam an.
Sakara tam ta.
Takaratam ta.
Va ma.
Va ma.
Ta atam. Ta atam anta.
Ta atam anta.
Taha atam dvam.
Taha atam.
I vahe mahe.
Mahi.
Sundarji can do.
Yeah. Avidyat, avidyatam, avidyatam, avidyan.
Vid dhatu atmanipadi,
Oh, I'm sorry.
not parasmipadi. Vidyate, vidyate.
Avidyatha, avidyetam, avidyanta, avidyathaha, avidyetam, avidyavam,
Avidyadvam.
avidyatvam,
Sorry.
Avid-
Yeah. Avidyadvam. Yes. Plus
avidyatvam.
vid plus then the fourth gana shan will come. Avidyadvam. Yeah.
Avidye,
Yes.
avidyavahi, avidyamahi.
So avidye, aham avidye. Vid means to know. Avidye, I don't know.
I don't.
With not I don't know. Avidya means I know. Not I don't know. Vidya, na vidya, avidya. Avidya is Rama Shabdavat. Avidya, avidye. There also avidye. When you decline it, then avidye. Pratama bhakti dvivachanam and dvitiya bhakti dvivachanam avidye. There it is different. Here aham avidya means I knew. Okay. So generally avidya means ignorance, that is what we know, but here there could be a confusion. Avidya means as though there are two ignorances, but here it is it's a thing, it's a lakara. Therefore aham avidya means I knew.
I knew.
Yes.
Okay.
Continuing. Akarot, akurutam, akurvan.
Akaro,
Akarot,
Akarot, akurutam, akurvan.
Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta.
akaro,
Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta.
Akaravam, akurva, akurma.
Akaravam,
akurva,
akurma.
Ta, akurvatam, akurvata.
akurta,
Akurvatam,
akurvata,
akurvata.
Akuruthaha, akurvatham, akurudvam.
akurutaha,
akurvatam,
akurvam,
Kurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi.
akurvi,
Akurvahi,
akurvahi,
Asti, staha, santi.
asti,
Asti staha santi.
Asi, staha, sta.
asisti,
Staha sa.
Asmi, smaha, smaha.
asmi,
Swaha smaha.
Asit, astam, asan.
आसीत्
आसीत्
आस्ताम्
आसन्
आसन्
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसीः आस्तम्
आस्तम्
आस्त
आस्त
आसम् आस्व आस्म
आसम्
आसम्
आस्व
आस्म
तु ताम् अन्तु
तु
तु
ताम्
अन्तु
तं त
तं
आनि आव आम
आनि
अव
मम
मम
ताम् इताम् अन्ताम्
ताम्
इताम् अन्ताम्
स्व इथाम् ध्वम्
स्व
इताम् त्वम्
ऐ आवहै आमहै
ऐ आवहै
सुमति जी
Yes, Shanji.
विद
It's lot.
धातु लोट
विद्यतां विद्येतां विद्यन्तां विद्यस्व विद्येतां विद्यध्वं विद्यै विद्यावहै विद्यामहै.
कंटिन्यूइंग करोतु कुरुताम् कुर्वन्तु
करोतु कुरुतां कुर्वन्तु
कुरु कुरुतं कुरुत
कुरुतं कुरुत
करवाणि करवाव करवाम
करवाणि करवाव करवाम
कुरुतां कुर्वातां कुर्वताम्
कुरुतां कुर्वातां
कुरुष्व कुर्वाथां कुरुध्वम्
कुरुष्व कुर्वातां कुरुध्वम्
करवै करवावहै करवामहै
करवै करवामहै
ईत् ईताम् ईयुः
ईताम् ईयुः
ईः ईतम् ईत
ईः ईतम् ईत
ईयम् ईव ईम
ईयम् ईव ईम
ईत ईयाताम् ईरन्
ईत ईयाताम् ईरन्
ईताः ईयाथाम् ईद्वम्
ईताः ईयाथाम् त्वम्
ईय ईवहि ईमहि
ईवहि ईमहि.
गणेश जी
लिंग लकार विद्येत विद्येयातां विद्येरन् विद्येथाः विद्येयाथां विद्येध्वं विद्येय विद्येवहि विद्येमहि.
कुर्यात् कुर्यातां कुर्युः
कुर्यात् कुर्युः
कुर्याः कुर्यातं कुर्यात
कुर्याः कुर्यातं कुर्यात
कुर्यां कुर्याव कुर्याम
कुर्याम कुर्याव कुर्याम
कुर्वीत कुर्वीयातां कुर्वीरन्
कुर्वीरन्
कुर्वीथाः कुर्वीयाथां कुर्वीद्वम् कुर्वीय कुर्वीवहि कुर्वीमहि
कुर्वीमहि.
अस्तु स्तां सन्तु
Astu.
Astu stam
Santu.
Yedhi stam sta.
Yedhi stam sta
Asani asava asama.
Asani.
asani
Asama.
ava asama
Syat syatam syuhu.
Syat.
syatam
Syuhu.
syuhu
Syaha syatam syata.
Syaha.
Yaha.
syatam
Syat.
syata
Syam syava syama.
Syam.
Syam.
Syava.
syama
Yes. Then, Kameshwari, you can read this.
भुजङ्गस्य विषं दन्ते मक्षिकायाश्च मस्तके वृक्षिकस्य विषं पुच्छे सर्वाङ्गे दुर्जनस्य च.
Okay. Where is the Kriya Padam?
We have to supply asti
Yes.
for every sentence. For
Yes. It's a simple.
Yeah, simple one.
So, asti. Kaha asti?
For Bhujanga snake.
Asti, for that, the subject, the karta of the sentence. Asti, the karta will be karta of the subject. Kaha asti? Akim asti?
Visham
Visham asti.
asti.
Visham asti. So, Visham is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Asti is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Visham asti. Visham. Kasya Visham?
Bhujangasya.
Bhujangasya Visham. So, Bhujanga snake. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Visham, poison of the snake. Sambandha. Bhujangasya Visham. Kutra asti?
Dante.
Dante. Samanvan. Samanvan.
Yeah,
Adhika.
7-1.
It is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Similarly, second line.
Makshika yascha mastake. For Makshika, it's in the head.
Again here Visham. Mastikayaha Visham. Mastake asti.
Asti.
The next line.
Vrikshikasya visham pucche.
Pucche means
What?
tail.
Tail. That is
Pucche.
pucche only. Okay. So for snake, for scorpion, right? Vrikshikas.
Yes. Vrishikasya Visham. Pucche asti.
Pucche asti.
What about Durjanasya?
It's full body.
Sarvange Visham.
Durjanasya cha.
Durjanasya. So Bhujanga snake. Makshika is honeybee.
Honey.
Mastake
Adu
asti.
Makshika.
And Vrishika is scorpion. Durjanasya Visham Sarvange. Sampurna Sharire Vartate Visham. Sarvange. Simple Subhashitam. Then continuing. We are seeing Krita Pratyaya. In the Krit Pratyaya, we are seeing Tumun. So Tumun is Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya. We know it is Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya, therefore it will take Itagama. So all these things we know. And when do you use Tumun? When do you use Tumun? Can you all hear me? Is my voice audible?
Yes, we could hear you.
yes sir
Is there any disturbance?
No.
no
Okay.
It's clear today.
Okay. So when do you use Tumun?
When there's
There
a
are
wish or
two
intention.
actions,
when there
like
are two
one happens
actions, one
before,
yeah
one happens after.
And the future action will take Tumun.
to move.
Uddesha Kriya. Uddesha Kriya. Kriyayam Kriyarthayam. A Kriya is done for the sake of another Kriya. Kriyayam Kriyarthayam Tumun. Sutra itself is there. So Uddesha Kriya Vachaka Dhatoho Kriya Vachaka Uddesha Kriya, that is the action which is the aim, which is to be accomplished. Uddesha, that is Uddesha. That with that dhatu, Vachaka dhatu, that which has the Uddesha Kriya, the dhatu. So, Tasya Tuman Pratyaya Bhavati. This is one. This is what we are seeing. And the next one is verbs, that is dhatu, expressing time. Expressing time when action is due. Like we say, it's time to eat. It's time to eat now. So time to eat now. So yeah, action time is there, and also the action is pending. The action is to be accomplished in time. Time to eat. So then also we'll take tuman. That is what we have to see today. It's a simple usage. And for tuman we have seen with different dhatus, what are the forms, certain rules I told, 2 rules. Remember 2 rules. Chavarga followed by a jal at the end of the padam will become kavarga, that is rule number 1. And the other rule is a few dhatus, prascha, suja, braja, raja, raja. And also the dhatus ending with chakara or talavi shakara will be replaced by murdanya shakara at the end of the padam or followed by jal. These 2 rules we saw. We'll keep adding more and more rules. So now these 2 rules we know. Any doubts in these 2 rules? We have seen the application of these rules with some dhatus. Like prach dhatu is an example. Prach plus tumun. What will happen? Prach plus tumun. Chakara dhatu. Chakaranta dhatu will be replaced by murdanya shakara.
Murdanya shakara.
Because followed by the jal letter.
Jal letter.
Suppose if itagama comes, will it happen? Yes or no? It will not happen.
No.
If the dhatu is a set dhatu, if itagama comes, even though the dhatu may be ending with jakara or chakara or shakara, but it is not followed by jal, so it cannot happen. If at all, if dhatu takes itagama. Sometimes you will find some dhatus maybe ending with a shakara, or maybe those dhatus, the listed dhatus, may not get shakara adesha because itagama comes. Itagama prevents. So there are some dhatus which take itagama, some which will not take. That you can refer the dhatu kosha. There it is given set, anit, wait, iti. Okay.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
In the last class, Karshanartham, for that, is it not under the questions, no, in the list of list, it was given Krashtum only, but we took it as Karshatum. That Takara will become Ta, no, the Shtutva.
Shtutva happens, yes. Yes.
But I don't understand Kra, how it is Kra.
Not Kra, there is no Kra. Where is it?
It was given in that book.
Which book?
We did know last class. Last at towards the end.
Do you see the file now? What I'm showing? Krish plus Tum. This is the one.
Kashtum. No, not here. From the book.
Okay, we'll see
we did one sentence. Krishakaha. That is Krashtum or Chetram Gachati.
No. Krish plus Tum will become Krishtum. That's what I'm saying. Not Krashtum. It will not become Kra. It is Kru only. Krishtum. The Krish dhatu, it is in 2 gana. Okay. It is first gana, guna happens. Okay. This Karshati form is there. And Krishati also is there. It is in 6th gana. Anyway. So we will see that. We'll see that book. Okay. So Krish plus Tuman. Here Krish, which means to blow. Guna happens. Kru becomes Karsh. Karshtum. That's the form you get.
Okay.
Here you can see Puj plus Tum. Example. Puj plus Tum. Jakara. Does it do we apply? Do we apply
That was special rule.
First
Miscellaneous rule.
not
No.
miscellaneous rule? Yeah, miscellaneous rule.
Under
number 1.
that first rule.
First rule. The Chakara will be when followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam will be replaced by Kakara. We don't apply. And moreover, it is not Puj. It is 10th Gana. What will happen?
Which will be added.
Takes a niche will.
Nich. Therefore, the also will be Puji, not Puj. Even though it is not written, but I explained. Puj plus Nich will become Puji. Puji plus Tum. It will take Itagama, E. Then Itum is a Pratyaya now. Because this Agama is Antaranga to be done first. First you have to add Agama. Anga is Puji. Itum is the Pratyaya. Pratyaya can do Angakarya. Puji will become Puje. Guna happens. Puje plus E. Ayadi Sadhi. Puja Yitum. Can you all follow with this?
Yes,
Yes, Sharanji.
Not typing it, but we saw this and I explained this. Puja Yitum. To worship. Okay. Then, you be familiar with these forms, this Tuman forms of some dhatus. And I'll give you a long list also. You'll see that. I'm updating that. I'll show that. Now you can see this sentence. This is what the second meaning of Tuman. That is, when an action is due at a particular time, then Tum is used. It's time to eat. Patitum Samayaha. That's all. Patitum Samayaha. It's time to eat. It's time to read. Patitum Samayaha. It's time to eat. Bhoktum Samayaha. Vela or Samaya both are same. Vela also means time only. Okay. In Tamil also we say Vela in Eram. So Vela. Vela means time. Bhoktum Vela. You can see the dhatu. Pat plus tum. Pat is set dhatu. Therefore, itagama comes. So pat plus itum, patitum. And bhoktum, bhuj plus tum. What happens here? Bhuj plus tum. What happens
Guna.
here?
Guna
First
Angakarya.
rule. First Guna.
First
Guna
Guna.
Angakarya. Yeah. Bhuj.
Then
Then the
Chakara will become-
first rule Chakara will become Kakara.
Jakara will become
Ga.
Gakara.
Gakara.
means
Chakara.
Jakara will become Gakara.
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 After that,
Gakara will
Char-
become
Chartva
Kakara
Vidhi.
because Chatvavidhi happens.
Chatavidi.
Chatval.
So, if you don't understand, please note this. Bhuj plus tum. It will not take itagama. So, this is Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya. Is it a kit? No, it is not a kit. Therefore, Angakarya is not negated. So, Bhuj will become bo. Guna happens. Penultimate short ik. Rasla ik upada will take guna. Therefore, Bhuj will become boj. Boj plus tum. Boj plus tum. Now, Chavarga letter followed by Jal letter. Chakara will be replaced by Kakara. Bog plus tum. And now, Gakara, which is a Jal, followed by Tavarga, followed by Takara, which is a Kar letter. So, Chartha Vidhi is applied. So, you get Bhoktum. Please note this if you find difficult to understand how the form Bhoktum comes. Okay. So, it's time to eat. Bhoktum Vela, Bhoktum Samayaha. So, this is another usage of Tumun. Now, I've given here a list of dhatus. The meaning I'm not writing. Maybe I can send you this. It's not edited, unedited. I will add more dhatus to it and then send you later. You can see some dhatus. In the alphabetical order it is given. A lot of dhatus will be there and more to be added. At will become atitum. I means to go. Atmanepadi dhatu, ayate, ayete, ayante. All the gana dhatus are there mixed up. Okay. All the 10 gana dhatus are mixed up. It's given in the alphabetical order. I with pal, which is the pala. Pala is the upasarga. This is only special usage. Pala is not, para is there, but para here become pala. Palayitum, to escape. I means to go. Palayitum, to escape. With some upasarga given, the form. Palayitum, tuman form. Arj will become arjitum. Av avitum. Us. What is the meaning of us?
To be.
To be.
To be. Us to be. Us also means to throw. To throw also another meaning, but this is us. Is to be. Adding tum, what will happen? The form will be bhavitum. Please note this. Even though as dhatu belongs to second gana, that us will be replaced by bhu dhatu. Us will be replaced by bhu dhatu. There are some dhatus like this as dhatu, which will be replaced by another form, and it may look like the dhatu belonging to the other gana. It may look like the dhatu belonging to the other gana. So the dhatu can be replaced by another form when ardha dhatuka pratyaya follows. There is some rule. Only few dhatus, not many dhatus. So as dhatu is one dhatu. There is no asitum. Okay, bhavitum only. Bhu dhatu also bhavitum. As dhatu also bhavitum. So you can please note this. Mark this. As second gana, as dhatu, asti stata santi, that becomes bhavitum, not astum or ashtum. Okay, please note this. Understand? Yes.
Yes, Shanj. Yes,
Yes,
Shanj.
Sharanji.
Please note
I,
this.
I
There's
have
some-
a question on that.
Yeah.
You know, it has a different meaning also, to go or to shine or to receive. In that case, we don't use the Buddha, do we? So
I didn't get you. What is it again?
if it's a different if it's in a context we are using in different meaning than to be,
That depends. That depends on the context. Yes.
then would that be asitum in that case?
Yes. If it is means to throw, it will be asitam.
Asitum.
Asitum, or whatever maybe the form is. As dhatu, whether it is, that is checked. It is in the fourth gana. Whether it's a state dhatu or anit dhatu, we have to see. Whether asitum
Okay.
or ashtum, whatever maybe. That is check the dhatu. Astum.
Okay.
What I say, ashtum. If it is a state, asitum. If it is not, then ashtum. Here it is very specific for the second gana dhatu. Okay. That's why a meaning I have given here. It means to be. Okay. As to be. So that becomes bhavitum. As become asitum. In dhatu, you can see in nakara is it letter. In dhatu we have seen in some context. Where did we see? Remember in dhatu? We saw in dhatu in the sandhi. The rest of sandhi rules, they're very specific for the in dhatu. Eti, edati, utsu. That is the form of in dhatu. When it begins with yang letter. We saw upaiti, remember? Upaiti, check the sandhi. You will see this. So in dhatu, what will happen to in dhatu? In plus tum, e will take guna. E will become a. Etum. So in becomes etum. Iksh to see becomes ikshitum. Ohitum. Kat, 10th gana. That becomes katayitum. Kampitum. So like that, many dhatus are there. This is your homework. You can just see how what are the forms. Just be familiar with the forms. Keep using that. It will be familiar. Can be derived also. can be derived also if the dhatus are simple. If any special rules are there, special rules are special rules. That is, we'll dealt with that later. Okay. So here you can see another dhatu, Krush dhatu. Shakaranta dhatu. Shakara will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara, and also the upada is Kru, U, short ik will take guna. Therefore you get Kroshtum. You take Kroshtum. So with whatever knowledge you have now, you can try to derive the forms. Try to derive the forms. Okay. So moving further, you can see a lot of dhatus will be there. And some exceptional dhatus, different forms are given. This is a long list. Okay, so, and list is also not yet complete. It is, I'm going to type some more. We will see that. Now let us do this exercise. Join these sentences using Tumun. Krishnaji, you can do. Take 2 sentences, each one of you.
देवः अवतरति सज्जनान्.
Can you read louder? It's not clear.
देवः अवतरति सज्जनान् पालयति. देवः अवतरति देवः सज्जनान् पालयितुम् अवतरति.
Yes. Jayavaha Sajjanan Palayatam. So Sajjanan is the karma. Already Sajjanan is karma only. Sajjanan Palayati. Devaha Avatarati, Devaha Sajjanan Palayati. So 2 sentences are joined. Sajjanan Palayatum, Devaha Avatarati. So the God descends, the Lord descends to protect the good Sajjana, Dharmika people. So Sajjanan. Palayitum is the action to be accomplished. Therefore, palayitum, rakshitum, avitum. Okay, any dhatu you can use palayitum. Second line.
वानराः उपवनं गच्छन्ति फलानि खादन्ति. वानराः उपवनं गच्छन्ति फलानि.
What is the action to be accomplished?
खादितुम्.
First it goes to the upavana and then it eats fruits.
So वानराः फलानि खादितुम् उपवनं गच्छन्ति.
Yes. Vanaraha falani kaditam. Gachanti. Upavanam gachanti. Right? Samadhi.
Arjunah Krishnam Prachati Geetam Shrunoti. So Arjunah Geetam Shrotum Krishnam Prachati.
Yes.
Then Ramah Patam Patati Jnanam Prapnoti. Ramah Jnanam Praptum Patam Patati.
Yes.
Then
Next person. Sundarji.
बालिकाः विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति. बालिकाः पठन्ति. बालिकाः पठितुं विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति. नरसिंहः राक्षसं मारयति. भक्तं रक्षति. नरसिंहः भक्तं रक्षितुं राक्षसं मारयति.
Yes. Ganeshji.
Next one.
7.
Pantaha Pupam Agachat. Paniyam Apibatu.
Apibat. Api.
Batu is it?
But not Apibat. Apibatu. Must be. Yes.
So here Pantaha Paniyam Patum. I know it's would be Patum. Patum Kupam Agachat.
Continue. Second one.
Okay. Krishna Archanam Upadishati.
Arjuna.
Sorry, Arjunam. Krishna अर्जुनम् उपदिशति गीतां श्रावयति.
Yes.
So Krishna Gitam Shravitum Arjunam Upadishati.
What is the meaning of Shravitum?
To listen or to
To listen.
Fast
Is,
to listen.
Yes. Dhatu is
Shudat.
Shru Dhatu. Shru will become Shrotum. So how becomes Shravitum? Shru Dhatu. Shru plus Nich is a causative. Shravayitum. Shravayitum. Did it say Shravitum or Shravayitum?
I said Shravitum.
Shravayitum.
Shravayitum.
Okay. Shravayitum. Shru will become Shru plus Nich. What will happen? Shru will become Shro plus E. Shro plus E is Ayadi Sandhi. O plus E.
Shrai.
It becomes Shavi. No, sorry. This is Vruddhi happens. This is Shav. Okay. Niche is that becomes Shav. Shav will become Shav. Shav plus E becomes now you get Shavi.
Shav.
Shavi. Shavi plus Itum becomes Shavi plus Itum. Itagama comes. Shavi plus Itum. Again,
Again I add.
E becomes Guna. Here it becomes Guna. Okay. Shru plus Nich there Vriddhi, but here it is Itum only. Then Guna will happen. Shravi will become Shrave. Shrave plus E. Shravayitum. Ayadi Sandhi. So Shravayitum. Causing to listen. Patitum. Patayitum.
Patayitum.
The same way. Shrotum. Shravayitum. Causing to listen. Okay. Then next person. Rameshwari.
अग्रजः विपणीं गच्छति शाकानि क्रीणाति, right?
It must be Kreenati. It's a typo. Yeah.
So अग्रजः विपणीं शाकानि क्रेतुं गच्छति.
Yes. Kretum gacchati. Yes.
Next, रामः विदेशं गच्छति धनम् अर्जति. रामः विदेशं धनम् अर्जितुं गच्छति.
Krishnaji.
Shall I go to the next one?
Next person. Krishnaji will do.
ऋषयः नदीं गच्छति स्नाति. ऋषयः स्नातुं नदीं गच्छति. सः गुरुकुलं गच्छति गुरुं पश्यति. सः गुरुं द्रष्टुं गुरुकुलं गच्छति.
Yeah. Drish dhatu. Drishyar dhatu becomes drashtum, not drishtum. Another rule is applied and dra will become dra. Okay. That rule we don't know. We have not seen. Don't worry about it. But form you know. Drashtum. Similarly, srij will become sarashtum, not srishtum. So this two dhatus you can remember the form. Drish will become drashtum. Srij will become sraj. Okay, continue. Next one. Next person. Yeah, Sumati. Yes.
It's 12th one, no, Sharanji?
13th.
30. Vimala pakam pachati bhikshukan dathati. Vimala bhikshukan pakam, I'm sorry. Vimala bhikshukan datum pakam pachati. Mata kupam gachati jalam anayati. Mata jalam anayitum kupam gachati.
Why anayitum?
I know, it just came the flow, Charji. Anayitum.
Okay.
It will be.
Netum.
Yes. It is ni dhatu. Ni plus tum will become netum.
Oh, I'm sorry. I really don't know
Anayati,
that.
because Anayati is a lut form. Ni plus tum becomes netum. And with the a upasarga, anetum. Okay.
Anetum.
Ni plus tum, ni will become guna.
Guna.
E, ne. And it is not a state. You know, itagama. Itagama will not come. So, ne plus tum, netum. With a upasarga, ang upasarga, anetum. To bring. So, mata jalam anetum kupam gacchati. Right? Please note this.
I didn't get the dhatu ni. That's the.
Ni dhatu. Yeah, okay. Ni dhatu. Ni is ubhayapadi. Ni dhatu. It is. It will not take itagama here. Okay. And it. Next person.
सा
Yes.
क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छति क्रीडं पश्यति सा क्रीडं द्रष्टुं क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छति
Yes. Kridam drashtum kridanganam gacchati. Now we can translate Sundarji.
The animals run to the river to drink water.
Water, not food.
Drink water.
Yeah.
मृगाः जलं पातुं नदीं गच्छन्ति.
Yes. Nadim gachanti, you can say. Yes. Nadim or Nadim prati dhavanti jalam pada.
Okay.
Next person. Ganeshji.
She wants money to get happiness. Sa sukam praptum dhanam ichchati.
Sukam praptum dhanam
Ichchati.
ichchatu. So prap dhatu. Ap dhatu. With pra upasarga. Right? What about lab dhatu?
Laptum.
No. Lab will, something will happen to lab. It becomes labdum.
Labdum.
Labdum. They will see how that becomes. Some rules will come. We are going to see the next rule later. So just know the form. It becomes labdum. If you are using lab dhatu, then it is labdum.
Labdum.
Because to attain lab dhatu also can be used. So labdum. Sukam labdum. Anandam labdum. Sa dhanam ichchati. Right? Continue.
He wants to roam around. Roam means brahmanam.
Yes.
Brahmanitum.
Brahmitum.
Brahmitum. Saha brahmitum ichchati.
Saga brahmitum ichchati. Next person. Kameshwari.
Monkey climbs the tree to eat. वानरः खादितुं ओके वृक्षं आरोहति.
वानरः खादितुं palam खादितुं. Palam is it is a karma for kadana kriya. Palam kaditum vriksham arovati. Yes, continue.
He reads lessons to ask questions. Sah ask prachatum.
Not prachatum. Prach dhatu just now we saw prach becomes chakaranta dhatu.
So cha will become
Urdhanya shakara.
so
Prashtum.
prashtum.
Kim prashtum?
Prashnam prashtum.
Yes.
Sah prashnam prashtum patam patati.
Patan patati. Okay.
Patan.
First lessons, Bhagavachanam.
Okay. I forgot.
Next person. Lataji. Lata comes Lata.
Yeah. Lata reads the stories to gain knowledge. Lata kathaha to gain jnanam praptum kathaha patati.
Yes. Lata
Rama
Kataha Patati. Kataha is good. Vidya Bhakti Bhagavachana. Yes.
Kathaha patati. Rama wants to speak with Sita. Rama vaditum Rama Sitam vaditum ichchati.
It is not Vaditum. It is Uditum.
Uditim.
That Vad will become Ud.
Okay.
I think we have seen this dhatu before. Vad? Not. Okay. It
I don't
becomes
think we did.
Uditum.
I don't think.
Or we will see how it becomes Uditum. Uditum. Or you can say Bhashitum.
Bhashitum, yeah. Bhashitum would
Bhashate.
be something.
Vad dhatu. Vad plus tum pratyaya. Vad. Okay. It is Vaditum, not Uditum. It's correct only, Vaditum. Because some person will not happen. Yes. It is Vaditum only. Sorry.
Vaditim, correct?
Yes, it's Vaditum only. I thought it's an,
Okay.
it takes some person, it will not take Vaditum. Or you can say Vaktum also. Vach dhatu becomes Vach plus Tum. What will happen?
Vaktum.
Chakara.
Vaktum.
Chakara will become
Chakara becomes.
Kakara.
Chakara becomes.
Vaktum. To say, to speak. So Vaktum or Vaditum or Bhashitum. Right? Okay. Next person. Krishnanji.
As they go to the movie to make noise. They chalachitram
Chalanachitram. Okay.
Okay, te chalanachitram gachanti. Te kolahalam kartum
Yes.
chalanachitram gachanti.
Yes. Kolahalam kartum. Kartum dhatu. Kru dhatu. Kartum form that we use. Kru dhatu kartum. Kolahalam kartum te chalanachitram gachanti. Good. Next one.
The crow sits on the tree to eat fruit. Kakaha vrikshe tishtati. Kakaha vrikshe palam kaditum tishtati.
Yes. Next person. Sumatiji.
He goes to America to earn money. Saha gachati. Saha dhanam praptum America gachati.
Amerikam gachati. Dhanam arjitum.
Then arjitum.
Arj. Arj means to earn. Arjitum.
Okay, arjitum. Then a servant steals the gold to show it to his wife. Dasaha chorayati.
Chorayati. Swarnam.
Swarnam chorayati. To show it to his wife.
To show it to his wife, yes.
So Dasaha tasya bharyaha. It will become 6 case, Sharji.
Show it to his wife is Tasya.
Dasaha tasya bharya.
First, what is the show? What is the word for show?
Darshanam.
Okay, but tum pratyaya?
Darshitum.
Darshitum. Kim darshitum?
Swarnam. Swarnam darshitum.
Swarnam, okay. The servant steals the gold to show it to
his wife. So he wants to show the gold to his wife. So Dasaha.
Darshayitum, okay. It is.
Oh, Darshayitum.
Darshayitum. Bharyam darshayitum. Bharyam. Swarnam darshayitum. Sevakaha.
Chorayati. Swarnam chorayati.
Sevakaha Swarnam chorayati. Bharyam darshayitum. It
Okay.
is drish dhatu darshayitum. Okay. So
Okay.
show causative. Drish will become darshi. Drish dhatu will, when you add nich, is causative form. So nich, when you add, drish will become dr, guna will the ikupada will take guna, so it become darsh,
Darsh.
and nich is e, therefore darshi.
Dashi.
So you get darshi plus then tum, if you add darshi will become darshe, and
Darshe.
it takes itagama, darshe plus itum, darshayitum. So
Okay.
the form is darshayitum. Okay. So for whether it takes ita agama or not, please check the dhatu kosha.
Dhatu kosha.
Dhatu kosha. But you can know the form darshayitum. Drish causative form is darshayitum. Drish drashtum. Okay. Next person. Sundarji.
We went to the market to buy vegetables. Vegetables, what do we say?
Shaka. Shakam.
Shakam.
No, shaka. Shaka is bland. Shakam. Shakani. Vegetables.
To buy vegetables will become shak.
Yeah.
Kretum.
Shakan kretum.
Shakan kretum. Shakan kretum. Vayam. Market will be.
Vipanim.
Vayam. Shakan kretum. Vipanim. Agachama.
Agacham, agachama. Yes.
The boy goes to the temple to worship God. Balaha Ishwaram Architum Mandiram Gachati.
Okay, worship. To worship can be, if suppose we use Nandatu, what will be the form?
Nam.
Nandatu. Becomes?
Namaitum.
No. Namaitam is causative.
Okay.
It becomes a Nantum.
Nantum.
Yes. Okay, next person. We'll see that of the forms of Ganeshji.
The boy, you go to the dining hall to eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Breakfast. Pratarashaha.
Yeah, Alpaharam also. Okay, anyway. Pratarasha. Yes, you can say Prata.
Rasham.
Yes.
So, Pratarasha Khaditum. Kartum, I don't know. Khaditum.
Kaditam. Yes.
Tvam Pratarasham Khaditum. Bhojanalayam Gachatu.
Bhojanalayam Gachati. Yes.
Gachatu.
Gachatu. Yes. Gachatu. You go. Gacha. If it is Madhyama Purusha, if it is of your same status, age, then you can say Gacha. Continue.
The boy worships the father to obtain more money from him. Obtain is praptum.
Yeah.
So dhanam praptum, balakaha pitam archati.
Yes, pitam archati. Okay. So now this give you some rules, miscellaneous rules you can see. There's num plus tum and gum plus tum. What is the form gum plus tum?
Gantum.
Gantum. How do you get gantum? You can see that another rule. Anunasika anta of anudata upadesha dhatus. Okay. First, see one by one. What is upadesha? What do you understand by the word upadesha?
Aupadeshaga dhatus.
Upadeshika dhatus.
The original one.
Original one. Upadesha means, what is Upadesha in general? I mean, we have seen
The 5 texts.
the Panchagrantha, they are called Upadesha. Okay. And the Panchagrantha and the Pratyas, Agamas mentioned, all are called Upadesha. Upadesha is that which is instructor given by Panini Maharshi. Not only by Panini Maharshi, by Katyayana, but Patanjali. These are called Upadesha. So Upadesha Dhatu means you have to refer the Dhatu Pata. Upadesha Dhatu means Dhatu Pata, not Dhatu Kosha. Dhatu Pata. The Dhatu Pata is, I think I showed you that Dhatu Pata. Bhu Sattayam, Eda Virdho, original, the text. Dhatu Kosha is what we prepared for our understanding with English meaning and say it and it and all we did. Upadeshika Dhatu. So Dhatus in the Dhatu Pata, that is Upadeshika Dhatus, which has the Swara Anudata. Anudata is the Swara. Even the Dhatu Patas, Sutra Pata, they were chanted. It had Swaras, but now we have lost. So Swaras not there. So Dhatu Pata also had Swaras because it was chanted. So when the Swara of the Dhatu is Anudata, Anudata Upadeshika Dhatus, and the Dhatu ending with Anunasika. Anunasika is nasal. The Dhatus ending with nasal sound, Anunasikanta, Anudata Upadesha Dhatus, that is one. So for this you have to refer the Dhatu Pata, then only you will know. Okay, so don't bother too much about this, just to know this much. Anunasika Anta of the Dhatus in the Dhatu Pata, which have the Swara Anudata. Okay, those Dhatus, and particularly one is a Dhatu, one Dhatu, and also the Dhatus belonging to the 8th Gana Dhatus. These Dhatus, the Anunasika Anta. The Anunasika Anta, you have to connect to all the three. Anunasika Anta of Anudata Upadesha Dhatus, Anunasika Anta of one Dhatu, one Nakara is there. So Nakara is Anunasika. So Anunasika Anta, one Dhatu, and the Anunasika Anta of the Dhatus belonging to the 8th Gana. We are not seeing 8th Gana. We'll see 8th Gana will drop. What will drop? The Anunasika Anta will drop. When does it drop? When followed by, the condition is when followed by Kit Pratyaya or Git Pratyaya beginning with Jal. Okay. Kit Pratyaya or Git Pratyaya beginning with Jal. Okay. I don't know why I said this, because this rule is not connected to the gum here. Anyway, I started this. Let me complete. So here, this rule is, I thought the gam dhatu, nothing is not dropped. It becomes anuswara. That rule we have already seen. Gam plus tum, that is, by mistake I connected with this rule. Sorry. But anyway, this rule I have just mentioned. You know this rule. You will see the application of this rule in some other context. It will be useful because this Anunasika will drop when followed by the Kit Pratyaya or Git Pratyaya. And the Pratyaya beginning with Jal. So you will see the application of these rules when we see some more Krudanta, Tavatu, Ta Pratyaya. There we will see the application of this rule. By mistake, I took this rule. In our example, this will not work. You see, Gam Dhatu, if you take Gam plus Tum. This is not example for this rule. Please note this. Gam will become Anuswara, Gam plus Tum. Then Anuswara will be replaced by Parasavarna, becomes Gantum. This is a simple rule, which we know. So by mistake, I took this rule number 3, not required, this rule. Now not required, later we will see. Similarly for Nam Dhatu, it becomes Nam plus Tum. That is where it started. Nam Namtum, the Namtum will become Nantum. To salute, to worship. Okay. So this dhatu, this rule, since I told, so let me explain that also with some other pratyaya. The pratyaya we will see. You're going to see this pratyaya later. It's a past participle, the pratyaya. So tavat is another pratyaya, ardha dhatuka pratyaya, which we are going to see later. So here what happens is anunasika anta, that is dropped. So it becomes plus tavat becomes gatavat. Okay. The form is gatavat. What is tavat and all we will see later. Sorry for this. This is number 3 is not applicable. I thought this rule will come because anunasikanta, but anunas condition is when followed by the kit pratyaya, not by the not any other pratyaya. Kit or git pratyaya beginning with jal. Here tum is jal. Therefore, the connection I connected to this, but it doesn't have application in our context. So we'll leave that. We will see that sutra. We will see that rule later. So the form is namtum or nantum for gam dhatu, gantum, nam dhatu, nantum. For that we know the rule. We know this. We know this rule. That is makara becoming anuswara. How does it become anuswara? What is the rule? Nam plus tum.
Appadanta. Appadanta.
Yes. Appadanta nakara or
Nakara
makara.
becomes
Appadanta
nakara.
nakara or makara. Followed by jal. Will be replaced by anuswara. So
Anuswara.
anuswara you got now. Anuswara. Anuswara followed by a letter. Parastavarnaha. So you get nantu. Okay. So that is how this nantum, the word is formed. Okay. The next person after Sundarji.
It's me, no?
Yeah, please do.
16th. The people sat around the tree to watch the horses.
Yes.
Janaha, that is first, to watch means drashtum, ashvaha drashtum, vriksham paritah, vriksham paritah asin.
Asan.
Right? Asan.
I mean,
Asan.
upavishan. They sat around.
Upavishan means it will become wo. When we add attagama, it will become wo, right? Wo.
Yeah, we have to add attagama. Upa.
So it will become wo, no?
People sat around. Vriksham paritaha.
Paritaha.
Ashwan drashtum. Janaha. So upa plus vish. Upa plus vish. Where will you add attagama now?
I thought before upa.
Before upa you cannot add.
Okay.
Upa is upasarga. First you have to form the dhatu, then you add, because vish is the dhatu, right? And it is lang lakara past tense. So vish has to be converted. First you have to form the lakara, then only you can add the upasarga. What is the lang form of vish dhatu? Or avish, a plus
avishat.
Huh?
Avishat.
A plus vish plus, okay. Avishan, let us take Bhagavachanam, right?
Okay, avishan.
Avishatam, avishan. So now you add upa.
So
upavishan. That's it. So you cannot add a before that.
Okay.
Before the dhatu. Okay. Upa to be added later. Again, this is antaranga. Why? Because what is the agama here and the lang lakara? Avishan. At agama you are adding. When agama is there, it is antaranga to be added first. So vish dhatu plus vish plus vish dhatu belongs to sixth gana. Vish plus sha plus then the takara, that is the lang pratyaya takara, pratama purusha ekavachana pratyaya, and the attagama comes before the dhatu. Okay. So vish plus sixth gana Ganavikarana is shakara, it's not shakara, sha. Then the pratyaya, lang pratyaya is takara.
Takara.
Prathama purusha ekavachana pratyaya is takara. Now the past form of this is obtained by adding attagama. Attagama to the dhatu. Because there is an agama, therefore it is antaranga to be done first.
Avish.
After you form the lung form, then only you can add upasarga. Please note this.
Okay.
Not before that. If you add before that, then upa is not a dhatu. How can you add attagama to the upasarga? Right?
Yeah, correct.
All of you understand this point? Upavishan. Avishat, avishatam, avishan. Avishan, then add the upasarga, upavishan. So, janaha upavishan. Vriksham paritaha. Right?
Yeah.
Vriksham paritaha, vriksham abhitaha.
Ashwan drashtum.
Upavishan.
Janaha ashvaha drashtum.
Ashwan
drashtum. Janaha ashwan drashtum. Vriksham paritaha. Upavishan. Next, a calf goes to the mother to drink milk.
Yes.
Vatsaha dugdam patum goes to the mother. So
Umbam prati or mataram prati.
Denu. Okay, mataram prati gachati.
Right. Next person. Lataji. Lataji is there?
Yes, I'm here, Sharanji. I pray to Ganesha to remove obstacles.
Yes.
Obstacles.
Obstacles pratibandha.
Okay. I'm stuck. Remove also.
What is the word for remove? Anybody? We know we are using that. The word for remove is
Nirvignam.
Nivarayitum. Good. Nivarayitum. Nirvignam is without obstacles. But we had used tumun here. So Nivarayitum. What is it?
Nivarayitum.
Right.
Yeah.
Pratibandha obstacle. So therefore.
Aham pratibandham nivarayitum. Ganesham archayami.
Archayami, pratayami. Pratibandhan nivarayitum. Obstacles.
Pratibandhan nivarayitum.
Okay, whether it's ekavacham or bahuvacham doesn't matter. Just saying obstacles. Pratibandhan nivarayitum. Ganesham pratayami.
Elephants do not want to eat flesh. Elephants do not want to eat.
Where do you start the translation? That's important.
With the Kriya Padam, we can start.
Which is the Kriya Padam here?
Kriya Padam is eat.
You take the first action. Want. Ichchati.
To want.
Ichchati. Bahuvachanam elephants is there. Therefore, ichchanti. Ke ichchanti. Karinaha. Ichchanti. Now we can do the other translation, that to eat flesh. First the main verb, then the secondary verb.
Okay. Karinaha mamsam khaditum na icchanti.
Mamsam khaditum na icchanti. Okay. Next person.
Is it not Karinaha? Plural.
Kari, Karino, Karinaha. Nakaranta Shabda. Please check back. Check the Shabda again. Kari, Karino, Karinaha. It is Nakaranta Shabda. Not Karina is not the Pratipadika. Karin is the Pratipadika.
Okay.
Otherwise, simply you can use okay. Elephant is
Gajaha.
Safe. No problem. Gajaha. But Karin also you can use. Karin or Hasti also you can use. Hastino, Hastinaha. Okay. Yes.
he listens to the meaning of the sloka to get satisfaction. So Kriya Padam is listen. So Saha Shunoti. Saha Shlokayaha Artham.
Shlokayaha. Why Shlokayaha? Shloka is pulling only.
Oh, yeah.
Jnana Shlokaha. Shlokasya.
Shlokasya Artha. Saha
Shlokasya
Artha.
Artham.
Artham. Shlokasya Artham. Praptum. Praptum.
Yes, at the start from the main kriya. What is the main kriya? First start.
Listens.
Listens.
So listens. So Shunoti.
Shunoti.
Saha Shunoti.
Kim Shunoti?
Shlokam Shunoti.
Shlokasya Artham Shunoti.
Shlokasya Artham Shunoti.
Kimartham Shunoti?
Anandam Praptam.
That's all. Anandam Praptam. Santosham Praptam. Anandam Praptam.
Shunoti.
Tushyati is the satisfaction.
Tushyati is just a kriya padam. But here you have to use tuman pratyaya. That's what praptam. Santosham praptam. That santosham also tush only. Tush dhatu. It's another kritanta is added. Tush becomes tosha. With the sun upasarga. Santosha. Santosham praptum. Aptum. Saha shlokartam shrunoti. Continue.
The hero climbs the tree to see the enemies. So climb is the Kriya Padam. Harohati. Veeraha Arohati. Veeraha Vriksham Arohati. Veeraha Arin Drashtum. Arin Drashtum. Drashtum Vriksham Arohati.
Do you find the sentences difficult, or how do you find the sentence and the usage of tuman? Is it
not difficult?
Not
Just
difficult.
Not if you have to practice. Yeah.
and
Is it too
remember
easy?
all the things.
Okay, is it too
No, it's
easy?
easy.
No.
Not
It's
too
not
easy.
very
Not too
easy.
We need some time to think, get the words. Immediately words are not coming. We are making
You
mistakes.
just go through the list of words. I will update it and send you later. So be familiar with that. And derivation also we will see. Some we are seeing, more we will see. Okay. Next person. Sumati.
I live in the forest to experience happiness.
Yes.
Aham vasami. So aham to experience anandam, experience happiness. Anandam praptum.
Experience.
Aham
Get
anandam.
happiness.
Yeah. Aham anandam praptum vane jivami.
Jivami. To experience, can we use another word? Praptam is okay, fine. To get, to attain. Can we use, you have the word anubhava?
Yes, Sharji. Anubhava.
Anubhava also from the bhu dhatu only. Anu upasarga. So anu plus bhu plus tum. What will be the form?
It will be
Anubhavatu.
Anubhavatum.
Anubhavitum.
Bhavitum.
Anubhavitum.
Bhavitum.
Anu upasarga. That's okay. Bhu will become bho.
Bo.
Guna happens. And this is set dhatu. Itagama comes. So bho plus e bhavitum. Anubhavitum. Anandam anubhavitum. Sukham anubhavitum. Aham vane jivami. Right?
Yeah.
Right. Continue.
Then the king gives money to his friend to write poetry. Nipaha gives his yachati, dhanam yachati, so
Mitraya Dhanam.
Mitraya, to write poetry is lekitum.
Lekitum, yes. Lek becomes lekitum.
To poetry will be
Kavita.
Kavita. It takes time. It really takes time to get the words correctly. So Nipaha, Mitram, Kavita Lekitum, Dhanam Yachati.
Mitraya Dhanam Yachati. That will be
Mitraya.
right. Chaturthi Bhakti. Because Sampradana, Mitraya Dhanam Yachati, Kavita Lekitum, Mitraya Dhanam Yachati. Kaha Nirpaha.
Nipaha.
Sundarji.
The woman held leaves in her hands to count them.
Yes. The main kriya is
Held leaves.
so. What is the kriya? What is the word for it? The dhatu is.
Pardon me. Dhatu is held. I don't know. Held.
You can use dhru. Dharati.
Oh.
Holding.
Okay.
So here it's a past tense.
Oh, okay. Dharati means Adarat.
Adarat, yes. Or any other kriya padam, whatever you find, you can use. Okay. Adarat.
Nari. Adarat.
Okay.
The woman held. Nari.
Mm-hmm.
Patrani Adarat.
Mm-hmm.
In her hands. Nari hastasya patrani.
Haste only, not astasya. In her hands. Haste.
Haste.
Tasyaha haste nari patrani adarat. Kimartam?
To count them, that is Granitum.
10th gana. What is the lat form?
Ganaitum.
That, yes, ganayitum. It becomes ganayitum. So, nari.
Nari tasyaha haste patrani adrat. Patrani ganaitum adrat.
Yes. The next one.
He works hard to earn money. He works hard. Works
hard, you can
works
make
hard.
it one also. The word is Kriya Padam, if you know, you can say Sham or any other word you can use. He works hard.
Saha Shramati. Shram. Works hard, I'm not able to translate.
He works hard to earn money. Saha.
To earn money? To earn money will be Dhanam Praptum.
Dhanam Arjitum.
Dhanam Arjitum.
Dhanam Arjitum. Saha. I mean, Shramanam Karoti.
Shraman Karoti.
Shramanam, if you make it Shramanam Karoti. Or Shramayati. Shramyati. Shram Dhatu, you can check the Dhatu Kosha. Shram means to effort, lot of effort is involved. That's called Shram. Shramyati. So Shramyati you can say. It also means tired. Tired also is another meaning. Shram Dhatu. Here you can use Shramyati or Shramanam Karoti. Okay. So
can we use Parishramati?
Parishramati. That's what Parishramati. Parishramanam Karoti. Okay. Parishrama, if you are comfortable, you can use, no problem. Okay. So Shram Dhatu, we have seen in the 4th Gana. Remember? In the 4th Gana, I think.
Yeah, to be weary, we saw, yeah.
Yes, Muchadi Gana. That is a 5th Gana. There's a Sham and all. Will you see? You get that Upada A becomes Dirga. Sham, Sham, dam and all. The sham it comes under that dhatu, that category. Let me show. Just now we saw the fourth gana. You can see. We are going to see that in the next class when you derive, you will see. So here you can see Shamadi Antarganaha, Shamu, Sham, that is Upashami, Sham, Dam, Shram, that is the dhatu. So all this form will be in Latlakara, you will see Shramyati, Damyati, Shamyati, Gramyati. So that's why I said Shamyati. You can say Shramyati. Shramyati means is works hard. Kede, that is the meaning. Kede. Tapasi kede. So parishramati. Parishramanam karoti. You can say. Saha Shramyati. Atava saha parishramanam karoti. Dhanam arjitam parishramanam karoti. That will be nice. Parishramanam. Or simply Shramyati also fine. Saga Shramyati. He takes pain. He works hard. Dhanam arjitam. Okay. The next person. Ganeshji.
He steals jewels from the palace to live with happiness. So stealing, chorayati, saha chorayati, ratnam chorayati. Saha ratnam.
Ratnani.
Ratnani. Rajagruhat.
Yes. Prasadat.
Prasadat. Saha ratnani prasadat chorayati. Live in happiness. Sukam. Sukena jivitum.
Very good. Yes.
Sukena jivitum. Saha ratnani prasadat chorayati.
Prasadat.
Prasadat chorayati.
Yes. China
wants to attack India. Attack Akramana. So,
yes.
Akramitum.
Good.
So,
Ichchati.
Bharatam akramitum. China ichchati.
Yes. So I think we can stop here. More sentences are there. Can you do it as a homework? I'll send you. Please try.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'll send this file. The last part is, I think, not edited. Anyway, that part I'll remove it. I'm doing it. So this can do it as a homework. We can do it we can check that in the class, next class. I'll send you this. Okay. So with this, tum pratyaya is done. So next class we will do tva pratyaya, and along with that lep pratyaya. Tva and lep. These two pratyas, important pratyas. Then we can do some exercise. Then Shatru, Shanaj, another important topic. So we will do Kridanta. Once we finish Kridanta, then we can go back to Infant Reader or Ant1 and do the translation and do a lot of exercises. So with this, you will have many words coming up. You will see that. Karmani Prayaga also we have to see. Will come. So this is how we are going to proceed further. So you please practice. Learn many tum forms. I'll send you also. Go through that. Okay. So we stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamādhāya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada.